Welcome back to this video. Now that you've created your very first rubric based on the template, you're ready to add that into your Google Classroom. And it's actually very simple. So as you go to your Google Classroom, whatever class you are going to work with, I would go to the Classwork tab. Hopefully you have that nice Classwork tab on the new Google Classroom. I'm going to create an assignment. Let's call this essay. Now the only thing is you want to make sure the students are actually going to give you two things: their essay or their assignment and a copy of the rubric. So it's kind of strange that they're going to take a blank copy of the rubric and submit it with their assignment. So it may require a few instructions on your part for the students. So you may want to put that tidbit of info in your instructions here. I'm going to add this to my Unit 1 topic. I love the way Google Classroom does topics now. Now, before you assign this, you want to hit this Google Drive icon here. And the great thing is that rubric that you just made, it lives on your Google Drive, and you could go look for it, but hopefully it's something you just did recently. So here it is. You want to add that. It'll show up here. Now it's very important that you take this drop down here and you switch this to make a copy for every student. You want every student to get their own copy of that rubric that they're going to hand into you so that you can put a grade for that student on their copy of the rubric. So almost like, just like back in the day when you had to go to the copier and you copied 50 rubrics and then you stapled them to everybody's paper and it took forever and you had carpal tunnel from the stapling and all that. But now Google Drive will do that for you. If you need anything else to be added, you could add a link or a video or whatever you need for your assignment, but make sure that you have that rubric there with copy for everyone and assign that. Once you have that done, it really is ready. The students will get that essay and they will be ready to go. In the next video, I will show you how this looks from a student perspective so you can see what the students will be doing as they're submitting their assignment.